Hey, howdy there, perfume pushers. Thank you for finding this channel and clicking on. Just an update on my fragrance journey after 5.5 years, almost 6 years. Little juice check on some of my favorite bottles that'll always be with me. So thank you very much. My name is Bobby Bottles, and I live out here in Oceana. The way to check a bottle, here we go again with my finger, is turn it on its side so that way it's symmetrical, right? Top and bottom. It's not symmetrical this way. It's up. There's more juice up here than there's down here. And you got the stem, and that's 50%. But you can see that that's way below 50%, way below 45, 40. And that's pushing 33%. 1/3, I'd say. You follow? So I'd say that's less than 33%. Probably about 30%, 28. More than a quarter, I'd say. So a quarter to a third. You know, this one is sprayed a lot. Stem there on the left, where the nozzle is 50%. So this is definitely a quarter at most, less than a quarter. Right, that kind of stuff. Here are some 200 ml bottles right here. 200 ml. The one on the left, I used way more than half. Well, it looks like I did way more than half, right? But it turns out, so probably about, I used 50%, 54%, something like that. So I used 100 ml of this. Here, there's more than half the bottle left. So there's like 55% in here. There's some bottles that I've killed in the past. Here's some designer exclusives that I've had for more than 5 years. And this is a 200 ml bottle. And it's dear, but still, that's a good dent. That's a good dent. All right, here's a 125 ml bottle. And you know, I'm not spraying this unless it's like fall or winter, right? So still a good, you know, that's more than 5 years old. Is there 50 ml used to this one? That's a good question. 200 ml, half of it. So I'd say about 40 ml used to this, 45 ml, maybe. 50, maybe 30, 35 of that one, 30, that kind of thing. Here's another 200 ml bottle, right, sprayed a lot. There's the stem, 50%. So there's got to be 2/3 of this is gone. I sprayed. So check your collection, your favorite juice. Check your levels. Check your levels. You know, do a check. And maybe you have not thought about it in a while, but you're going to be running low, and see if you have more. Backup of this, yes. Backup of this, certainly I do, in 100 ml bottles. This one I do. I mean, once I got that one and I loved it, I knew it right away. I ordered it on eBay again to get another one. Sometimes that happens. This one, certainly I have. Lots of backup. This one I do not. I do not have a backup of this one. And this one you can spray a lot. It smells great. It doesn't last that long, but I just didn't get back up. No backup of this one and no backup of that one because, well, they're sprayed so seldom, but I do love my powder, so I do spray these more than the other Privés. But there you go. There it is. And then you niche guys out there with lots of niche bottles, small bottles, you have no dents in them. They have no dents in them. That's what's good about designers. You love them, you blow through them, you get more. Niche, you just look at them. You don't spray anything. Maybe you sell them, and then by the time you know, you put a dent in them, maybe the juice has gone bad. I don't know. Some of the stuff is like so expensive or so rare that you're afraid to wear it or smell it or spray it. So almost 6 years in my journey, and I just did a level check on my jam. So tune in next week for another episode of Purloin Some Perfume here with Bobby Bottles. Bye-bye.